Hello friends, today we will solve few longevity questions asked in Acharya junior exam in past years. So the first question is, in Aries Lagna, if Sun is in 10th house and age granted is 10.6 years by Sun, calculate shatrukshetra haran. Shatrukshetra haran means Sun is in the enemy sign and Sun consider Saturn as enemy. For Aries Lagna, 10th house is Capricorn, which is owned by Saturn. So if a planet is placed in inimical sign, then it loses one third of the gross age granted. So the rule is one third. So total age granted is 10.6. If we divide 10.6 by 3, we get 3.53. So net age will be 10.6 minus 3.53, that is 7.7. This is net age. But we have to calculate the shatrukshetra haran. So the shatrukshetra haran is 3.5 years or 3.53 years. Whatever will be the option in the MCQ, select that. Second question is, calculate the Krurodaya haran on Mars if Mars is placed in Lagna and Lagna degree is 5 sin 3 degree and age granted by Mars is 8. Krurodaya haran is any planet which is placed in the Lagna if it is malefic, placed in animical sign. The steps are: convert the Lagna degree into minutes from 0 degree Aries, multiply gross age granted of the planet causing this haran, divide it by 2160, means the degree into gross age granted divided by 21600, and the result is Krurodaya haran. So 5 sin 3 degree is 5 into 30 into 60 plus 3 into 60 is 9180 divided by 21600 is 3.4 years. So the Krurodaya haran is 3.4 years. Third question is, if Shodhya of a planet is 188 years, how much IU it will contribute? So the rule for calculating the IU Shodhya method is multiply the Shodhya of planet by 7 and then divide it by 27. And then expulse the multiple of 27 till figure is 27 or less than 27. So here Shodhya is 188, we multiply it by 7, we get 1316. If we divide it by 27, we get 48.74. 48.74, if we subtract 27, we get 21.74, which is roughly 22 years. So the option will be this. Calculate Vriddhi Karak Hora Lagna, or if birth time is 15:30, that is 3:30 p.m. in the afternoon. Sunrise is 5:45, sunset is this, and Scorpio Lagna. So for Vriddhi Karak Hora Lagna, the steps are: determine the Dinman, sunset minus sunrise, or if it is a night birth, then you have to calculate the Ratriman. Since it is a day birth, we will calculate the Dinman. Divide it by 12 to get 1 Hora duration. And then calculate the Istkal. Istkal is birth time minus sunrise. Convert the Istkal into minute and divide it by 1 Hora duration. Then you will get something, few integer value, then few fractional value. The XX value will be the Hora completed and YY value will be, if we multiply 30 into it, we will get degree and arc minute. Whatever is the Hora complete, we need to add 1 into it, and YY into 30 will give me degree and arc minute. Then we will convert the fractional value. Count from the Lagna will count from direct counting, that is from first house, second house, third house, and for even it is indirect, first house, then 12,000, something like that. And whatever will be the value, the result will be Vriddhi Karak Hora Lagna. Sunset is 18:30, sunrise is 5:45. So Dinman is 12 hour 45 minutes. If we convert it into hours, it will be 12.75 hours. If we divide it by 12, 1 Hora duration, we get 1.0625 hours. Or if we convert it into minutes, 63.75 minutes. East Carl is birth time minus sunrise. Birth time is 15:30 minus 5:45. So we get 9 hours 45 minutes. If we convert 9 hours 45 minutes into minutes, we get 585 minutes. And when Hora duration is 63.75, so we divide this by 63.75, we get 9.17. So 9 is Hora complete and 0.7 we need to multiply by 30 to get degree and arc minute. So Hora completed is 9 plus 1 is 10 and 0.7 into 30 is 5.1. So 5 degree and 0.1, if we multiply it by 60, we get 6 arc minutes. So the value is 5 degree 6 arc minute. Since the Lagna is even, it is a Scorpio Lagna, we'll count indirect. So we have to count 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So Vriddhi Karak Hora Lagna will be Aquarius at 5 degree 6 arc minute. So this is the answer in sign 5 degree 6 arc minute. The next question is calculate Hora Lagna if some value is given. The date of birth is 23/06/1953, 1603, Karachi, Pakistan. This is the time of birth, date of birth, place of birth. Sunrise is 5:25 a.m. Lagna is Libra. Lagna longitude is 6 sign 25 degree 5 arc minute, and Sun longitude is 2 sign 8 degree and 27 arc minute. Since it is a odd Lagna, we have to add whatever calculation we do in the sun's longitude. That's why these values are given. So first step is to calculate the Istkal birth time minus sunrise. Then convert the Istkal into hours and minute. If hours is greater than 12, then expunge 12 from it. Hours arrived will be the completed sign or number of hora, and whatever will be the minutes divided by 2 to get degree and arc minute. If ascendant is odd, then we'll add the hora values from step 4 and step 5 into it, sun's longitude, to get the Parashar Hora Lagna. If it is even, then we'll add these value into the ascendant longitude. Here, Istkal is birth time minus sunrise. Birth time is 1603 minus 525. So it is 10 hours 38 minutes. So Hora completed will be 10 and 38 divided by 2, because the step says that divide the minutes by 2. So we get 19 degree. So it is 10 sin 19 degree. Since it is a odd Lagna, so we will add it to sun's longitude. Sun's longitude is 2 sin 8 degree 27 arc minute. Hora calculated is 10 sin 19 degree. If we add it, we get 12 sin 27 degree 27 arc minute. Since these sign can be between 0 sin to 11, so we subtract 12 from it. So we get 0 sin 27 degree 27 arc minute, which means Aries 27 degree and 27 arc minute is the 0 sign means Aries. So the Parashari Hora Lagna is 0 sin 27 degree 27 arc minute, which can be written as Aries 27 degree 27 arc minute. So next question is, if the degree of ascendant is 29 degree 57 arc minute, then what will be the IU granted by ascendant in pind IU? These are the options. We know that one Navamsha contribute zero point 0.3 years. So first we will convert degree minute into degree, and then we will multiply it by zero point 0.3. So 29 degree 57 arc minute can be written as 29 degree 0.95. So if we multiply 0 0.3 into it, we get 8.985. So which can be rounded as 9 years. So the answer will be C. So next few theoretical questions. If sun is strong, we use pinda. If moon is strong, we use nasargik ayu. If Mercury is strong, we use Rashmi Ayu. If Jupiter is strong, we use Nakshatra Ayu. If Venus is strong, then Kalchakra Ayu. If Saturn is strong, Sarvashtaka Ayu. If Mars is strong, Bhinnashtaka Ayu. And if Lagna is strong, Ansayu or Amshayu. So the next question is, if Saturn is strong in horoscope, then which Ayu? So by referring the above table, we can say that option C, Sarvashtaka Ayu, is the answer. Next question is, which IU is applicable if Mars is strong? So we have this reference, if Mars is strong, Bhinnashtaka IU. So the Bhinnashtaka IU will be the answer. Thank you.